Hello friends, welcome back in this session. We've seen the last session that how to use the Docker file and the different component of Docker file. So in this session we are going to use a Docker file concept with creation of the custom image, and basically we are going to create the container with the file server. So let's have a look how to create file server using the Docker and how to create the custom image that we're going to see completely in this session. So let's start. uh, I'm here folder having the Docker tutorial name, and here we'll create the completely our code base. So let me create here the first file, that's first directory, which name is serve. Okay, and let's go to the serve, and here I'm creating one directory, name is display. Let's create a file in the display directory. Let's cat, and I'm giving the name the sample.txt here, and just adding the name content is the ABC. Okay, let's do cat display sample.txt. Okay, so this file is created here under the display. Now we'll create one more directory, name is the web. Okay, so we want to create the web under display, so let me move web to the under display. Okay, now let's go to the display web. Okay, and let me create here one index.html file. Sorry. Okay, and here we'll create the HTML tag. Just adding the hello, closing the header, and closing the HTML. Let's see index.html. Okay, it's created. So here we have created a display. Let me go back so you can understand. So here we created the under display we created the sample.txt, and web names the directory, and under web we have created the index.html. Let me go back to our serve. So right now I am under the serve folder. Okay, now we have the display directory here, and under display we have created web. Okay, now let's go for the Docker file. So we can create here Docker file. So this is standard format having the D is capital, and here we are going to create the Docker file. Okay, so I'm not updating here Docker file, just saving this as blank, and we will see this in a IDE editor, so we can get the proper format of the Docker file. So let's move to the IDE. Okay, so this is IDE. I'm using the Atom IDE. You can create the same. Okay, so this is the format where we have created. So under the serve we created the display and web folder, and under web we created the index.html. So now we are going to create the Docker file, and Docker file basically start from the prom. So which image we want to take to create the file server. So basically we are going to use the node image, and as we know how to search, we shown in the previous, but let's have a quick look how to search. So docker search node. So this will list the image from the Docker Hub, and here we are going to use the node image, which are the official image. You can see here it's an official image. So how we can use? So here we should write the node, that's a image name, and the tag is the latest. So we'll use the node latest tag. Second, we are going to run a command post image and installing the node. So npm install -g as serve. So this is server. We are going to install using the run command. Run command will be basically running the command over the image. Then post installation we will copy our directory structure which we have created. So here we are going to copy /display. So this is our current, and the same location we are using to copy. So if the path won't be present, it will create with the same path. So we use the image, we have run the command for installing, we have copied our existing directory structure, then we'll pass the command using the command cmd. This is the default command which we use, serve .display. So this is our Docker file, and let's have a run this file. Let's go to the console. Let me clear here. So we have the two things. One is the display structure and the Docker file. Let's do the Docker file get so we can understand the things are as we have written. Okay, it's everything is same which we have written, and now we have going to create the Docker image. So Docker image creation, use docker build command, and docker build will ask the sum of the format and the command parameters that we have to pass. So docker build, so we will pass, so basically we use the docker build, the location of the docker file, and -t used for the tagging of this image. So I'm just giving the name is EasyAWS server. So this is my image name, and let me run the docker build. So this will create our file, this will create our image, custom image, using the command which we have passed through the docker image. So basically it takes the latest image from the node, which is docker hub located image, and then it will install the npm, then it will copy which we have given the command, and last we have given the default command as serve display with the location. So now our custom image are ready. So let's have a look image. So let me clear this screen so we can see docker image ls. So here we will find our custom image with the latest tags which created recently, and now it's time to run our image. So let's start. So to run docker image container, it will create a container, and there is a command docker run. We will pass the name. Let me give the name is serve, and this file server will basically use the internal container port is 5000, which we can map with our host port, so that we can use -p just for mapping port. So I want to map the port 3001, with the container port. So the first is the host port and second is the container port. So we are mapping the host port with the container port. And at last we are giving the image name. So image which we have created, the EasyAWS and server. So this image name which we have created. Let me run this. So my Docker has been run and you can see it's accepting the connection over the local host 5000 port, and here we have mapped the host port is the 3001. So let's go to the browser to validate. So here when I try with the port 5000, it will not open as this is the container port. Let me open the 3001 port. Okay, so you can see here 3001 port has been opened. You can see here the display under the sample web, and web under web is the index.html having the return the hello. So let's go back to the our code. So here we have given the code, the image we have taken, then we install, then we copied the uh, folder structure, and we have run our default command. So this is the basic structure of the Docker file, where we are using the different command like from, run, copy and cmd. How we have run, let's have a quick look. We have build docker, then post build we have the run docker container using passing the name of the image. So here we have created the custom image from the node image which we have taken from the docker hub, and post that we have run here using the docker run command.